तो फॉर दैट मतलब एक दो प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पे कर सकते हो. Okay, see 10 P and Q be two propositions. There have nothing to write actually. Just simple one or two lines you can write. I am just telling. So P, it is given I bought a lottery ticket this week, and Q, I own the $1 million jackpot. Okay. So what is negation of P? What is the statement for it?
It is not the case that I bought a lottery ticket this week.
Simple, simple case. More simply,
I did not buy a lottery ticket in this week.
correct. I did not buy a lottery ticket this week. ये मतलब उतना बड़ा करने का जरूरत नहीं है ना. इट इज नॉट द केस करके तो वो भी सही है. बट यू कैन राइट इन दैट वे. आई डिड नॉट बाय ए लॉटरी टिकट दिस वीक. फाइन. देयरफॉर if that B that you know that it is what? It is which operation?
Disjunction.
Disjunction. तो disjunction को कैसे state किया जाता है? You tell
Or
me what will be the disjunction of these two propositions?
I bought a lottery ticket this week, or I won the $1 million jackpot.
Correct. P implies Q. These are means that common statements. Okay. मतलब इसमें तो वो definition से ही ये सब लिख सकते हो. But what about this H? What about H? देखो यहाँ पे कैसे बोलना है. तो नेगेशन P को बोलना है एंड ये जो डिसजंक्शन ऑपरेशन है उसके जगह पे और लिखना है. एंड यहाँ पे P एंड Q मतलब ये कॉन्जंक्शन लिखना है. मतलब एंड देके जोड़ना है. नेगेशन P के बाद और लिखना है एंड यहाँ पे P के बाद एंड लिखना है. तो ये बन जाएगा. यू टेल मी नाउ व्हाट विल बी द स्टेटमेंट. Am I audible? बोलो
Yes,
मतलब
sir.
पोजीशन जैसे है वैसे ही रहेगा. यू जस्ट पुट द सेंटेंस फॉर इट एंड ये ऑपरेशंस के जगह पे और एंड लगा देना. तो क्या होगा. निगेशन ऑफ पी पहले है. तो फर्स्ट आई राइट आई डिड नॉट बाई ए लॉटरी टिकट दिस वीक. देन उसके बाद क्या ऑपरेशन है. और
Or
तो ऐसे लिखेंगे. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग. आई डिड नॉट बाई ए लॉटरी टिकट दिस वीक और I bought a lottery ticket this week and I own the $1 million jackpot. That's all. इसमें कुछ मॉडिफिकेशन वगैरह नहीं करना है. Have you written?
yes.
Okay, next problem number 11, same type. So can you think means ये इसमें से कोई भी डिफिकल्ट है लिख नहीं सकते. बोलो ऐसा कुछ 11 का कोई एक. अगर you can if you can do it then I can go to next. Same type ना. 10 and 11 same type you see.
Yes, sir.
So nothing to discuss here. It is your task. You complete.
Okay, sir.
Next 12. 12 is also similar to 11. So we can ignore it.
Yes.
Coming to the vice versa case. Given uh, some statement, means some compound propositions, we have to write it in logical expression form. Means symbolic notation we have to write. देखो लॉजिकल एक्सप्रेशन लिखना, लॉजिकल एक्सप्रेशन लिखना और सिंबलिक फॉर्म, मतलब कोई भी नोट मेंशन किया जा सकता है, तो सेम चीज है. लॉजिकल एक्सप्रेशन में लिखना, अगेन आई एम रीडिंग, लॉजिकल एक्सप्रेशन में लिखना या सिंबलिक फॉर्म में लिखना, सेम थिंग. ओके, दे कैन यूज डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज. तो सी प्रॉब्लम नंबर 13. P is the proposition, it is below freezing, and Q is the proposition, it is snowing. Now A, what is A? First you read it and think which type of connective used.
P dot Q.
Huh? P?
P dot Q. P
No,
and
no, don't say P dot Q because I have not introduced dot. Here it is something different. You are telling right thing, but here the notations are different. Na?
P and
What is it? P
And Q.
and Q, right? It is below freezing and it is snowing.
So will it be wrong if we write P dot Q?
Yes, means mathematically it is not wrong, but according to your subject structure, the notations are different. Na? Accordingly, you have to write. Better you use the current notations, जो I told. Okay. P dot Q, P plus Q, ये तो मतलब लिखे ही हो वो सब, बट वैसा नोटेशन मत यूज करना यहाँ पे. जैसे वो टी एफ की जगह पे तुम 10 भी यूज कर सकते हो ना, मतलब ऐसे ही किए हो तुम लोग, टी एफ की जगह पे 10, तो 10 यूज करके भी मत करना, जैसे मैंने बताया हूँ वैसे ही. ओके, so you can ask P. I have written P and Q, but can we write Q and P? Q and P. Can we write this?
And होगा sir.
So you have written Q or P.
Sorry, my mistake. ये Q and P. Can we write this?
No, sir.
नहीं लिख सकते.
मतलब क्या रिजल्ट तो सेम आएगा.
That will be the converse of this statement, no?
No.
नहीं, रिजल्ट सेम आएगा.
Converse, see, in those case they are conditional. वो implication symbol था. P implies Q, Q implies P. It is the converse of P implies Q, right? But इसको converse क्यों बोलेंगे?
Okay, sir. Got it.
Fine. That AND operation, it is commutative actually. AND operation या OR operation, these are commutative. So P and Q लिखे और Q and P लिखे, same thing. Now B.
P and not Q.
P and not Q. Correct. Here the connective is but, which is nothing but conjunction. So P, it is below freezing, so it is P. Then but means and not snowing means negation Q. So P and negation Q. Fine. C, it is not below freezing and it is not snowing. Again, conjunction, negation of these two conjunction, right? Negation of P and negation of Q. Any doubt?
No, sir. No,
So
sir.
I'm not writing, you can write it. It is negation P and negation Q. Now D, it is either snowing or below freezing. In bracket it is written or both. So what type of or operation it is? Both is included. So means inclusive or in the other words you can say disjunction, right? When both are included, it is called inclusive, right? Remember or not?
Yes, sir.
So it is what? P or Q? D. Now E. If it is below freezing, it is also snowing. So it is a conditional statement. Now what is the form? First you think what is the form? What is the form? It is if
P comma Q.
P, comma Q.
Q.
Yes. So if it is the form, then what will be the notation? P implies Q. If P comma Q, that means P implies Q, na? So here it is P implies Q. E wala. Fine. Now F. Either it is below freezing or it is snowing, but it is not snowing if it is below freezing. So it is basically uh,
Exclusive or
uh,
exclusive or
exclusive or, but in the given form, you have to write something different. Means according to the language, if you want to write, then it will be something different. ये एक्चुअली टोटल इसमें 4 प्रोपोजिशन यूज किया है, 2 ही प्रोपोजिशन को बार बार यूज किया है, तो टोटल 4 प्रोपोजिशन, नॉट ऑल डिफरेंट. So how they are connected, that you have to think. Look, I am writing the logical expression for it. Either it is below freezing or it is snowing. So that means P or Q, right? P or Q. Next part, it is connected with but. So but means and. So and क्या लिखा है? It is not snowing if it is below freezing. ये क्या लिखा है बोलो? It is not snowing if it is below freezing. तो ये कौन सा फॉर्म है? पहले बाट को छोड़ के रेस्ट जो है, रेस्ट ऑफ द टेल, यू सी, it is not snowing if it is below freezing. First you have to think about the form. It is given in which form? ये Q with P वाला फॉर्म ना. If is used in the middle, so it is of the form Q if P. अगर Q if P होता है form, then it is P implies Q. But then the notation is P implies Q. Isn't it? Do you remember? So here what I write? It is not snowing means what? Negation Q. So negation Q if P ना, negation Q if P, यही फॉर्म है ना यहाँ पे लिखा गया बट के बाद. तो
Yes, sir.
what I will write? Negation Q if P. तो ये क्या होगा? यहाँ पे देखो क्या लिखा गया है, Q if P को लिखा गया P implies Q. तो negation Q if P क्या होगा? P implies negation Q ना.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
P implies negation. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Next G, you write it. Okay. 13F, you write P or Q and P implies negation. Now 13G, that is below freezing, that it is below freezing is necessary and sufficient for it to be snowing. So what is the form here? Again, you think what is the form here?
Biconditional.
By conditional, correct. Because necessary and sufficient यूज किया गया है ना. तो P is necessary and sufficient condition for Q ऐसे लिखा गया है, isn't it? So it is P by conditional. Now see, 14 is also similar to 13. Only difference is that here three propositions are used. Three different propositions. Previously two propositions used. Here three propositions used. Okay, it is not similar to 13. It is similar to 12, 11, and 10. Okay, logical expressions are given. You have to write the English sentence. You can do it. So I am not discussing.
Yes, sir.
करना अगर कहीं पे डाउट.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
15, 15 is similar as 13. Then 16 also. You try this. These are for homework. Look, I am now discussing problem number 17. Why I am discussing this? Because I have seen two times or three times came in mid sem or end sem exam. This problem, particularly this problem. Okay. मतलब
Okay,
ये
sir.
आया है एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू में. दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. See, uh, three different atomic propositions. P you get. Oh, sorry, no mistake. It is 17. Uh, PQR. So P, it is grizzly bears have been seen in the area. Q, hiking is safe on the trail. R, berries are ripe along the trail. तो ये प्रॉब्लम नंबर देख के मैं जो सोल्यूशन बोल रहा हूँ वो लिख के रखना. तो 17A is what? First you read the question. You have to write the logical expression. Okay. So berries are ripe along the trail, but grizzly bears have not been seen in the area. So berries are ripe along the trail means are, but means what? Conjunction. And grizzly bears have not been seen in the area means negation of P, right? Ultimately, what is it? What is the expression? R and negation P. Write it. Next, 17B. Grizzly bears have not been seen in the area and hiking on the trail is safe, but berries are ripe along the trail. तो यहाँ पे भी वही एंड बाट करके कनेक्ट किया है. तो बेसिकली ये these are all what?
And
And मतलब these are all
P and
conjunctions.
Q.
So now you write grizzly bears have not been seen in the area means negation P, um, and hiking is safe on the trail. So that is Q. Negation P and Q. Lastly, but berries are ripe along the trail and are this one.
Yes, sir.
Now see. If berries are ripe along the trail, hiking is safe if and only if grizzly bears have not been seen in the area. Now you see, uh, what if and only if used. So if and only if is used for which type of conditional statement? By conditional, right? By conditional होता है ना if and only. Now you tell me what I will write. Tell me. ये तो सिंपल सा है, ये क्यों नहीं बता पा रहे हो? इमीडिएट आंसर देना चाहिए. तो बेरीज
So
आर
question
राइट.
number,
क्वेश्चन नंबर सी 17C. Berries are ripe along the trail means are if and only if दिया है तो by implication are by implication. अच्छा
so it will be
इसमें
within bracket.
R implies Q by conditional negation of P.
यस
ऐसा
Yes.
ये एक पार्ट है. देखो ये एक पार्ट है, उसके बाद if and only वाला लास्ट. ऐसे सोच सकते हैं. मतलब इसमें दो टाइप का सोचा जा सकता है एक्चुअली. मैं बता दे रहा हूँ क्या क्या लिखा जा सकता है यहाँ से. तो if berries are ripe along the trail, comma hiking is safe. if and only if. तो अगर ये दोनों को एक साथ में लिखा जाए if berries are ripe along the trail, comma hiking is safe, तो ये क्या होगा? It is R then implies hiking is safe means Q. Okay, R implies Q. Then if and only if. So by conditional. Then by conditional करके lastly negation P. Right?
Yes.
नहीं तो इसका और एक मीनिंग भी हो सकता है. मतलब ये क्या है कि R implies ब्रैकेट में Q बाय कंडीशनल निगेशन की. देखो अगर मतलब वो केस में इसको एक पार्ट और बाकी दोनों को ये वाला पार्ट लिखेंगे. ऐसे लिखेंगे तो ये लास्ट वाला बनेगा. मतलब ये बेरीज आर राइप अलोंग द ट्रेल, ये फर्स्ट पार्ट एंड कॉमा देके जो बाकी है वो एक ले रहा हूँ. हाइकिंग इज सेफ इफ एंड ओनली इफ ग्रिजली बियर्स हैव नॉट बीन
Yes.
seen in the area. So which one is correct?
Second.
Second one.
हम्म,
Second one.
क्या बोल रहे हो? मतलब मैं सी का दो फॉर्म लिखा ना, जस्ट ब्रैकेट इंटरचेंज करके.
Yes.
तो इसके लिए लैंग्वेस्टिकली थोड़ा सोचना चाहिए कि कौन सा सही मीनिंग आ रहा है, कौन सा सही मीनिंग
So
खुला.
second वाला लग रहा है.
इफ देयर इज अ
Yes,
राइट
sir.
along the trail, hiking is safe if and only if grizzly bears have not been seen in the area. Yes, सेकेंड वाला करेक्ट लग रहा है. ओके बट ये मतलब ऐसे भी दिया रहेगा ना तो थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग है कि कौन सा फॉर्म सही है. ये दोनों में से कोई एक होगा तो लास्ट सेकेंड फॉर्म इज प्रेफरेबल वन.
Okay.
हैव यू रिटन?
Yes.
नाउ डी. D it is not safe to hike on the trail, but grizzly bears have not been seen in the area, and the berries along the trail are ripe. तो ये भी सिंपली बाट एंड करके जुड़ा हुआ है, तो ये भी बी के जैसा ही है ना, बी के जैसा है, तो दैट आई एम नॉट
Yes.
टेलिंग, यू टेल मी व्हाट इट विल बी.
Negation of Q
Negation Q,
Negation Q and negation
and
P
P
and
and
R.
yes, negation Q and negation P and R. Okay. E, ये ओवरऑल जो क्वेश्चन है, मतलब ये क्वेश्चन आता आता है, इसका रीजन, मेन रीजन है ये 17E. ठीक है, ई के लिए ही एक्चुअली ये पूरा पार्ट दिया जाता है. So I am giving you time. You tell me what is the expression for it. E. Okay. You take a snap of it. In the meantime, I am taking attendance. So you try it. After attendance, you tell me. Snap taken?
yes.
Okay. Now you try. I am taking attendance now. Roll number 40. 64.
Present, sir.
68. 147.
Present, sir.
210.
Present, sir.
412. 477.
Present, sir.
494.
Present, sir.
556.
Yes, sir.
558.
Present, sir.
580.
Present, sir.
669.
Present, sir.
703.
Present, sir.
716.
Present, sir.
760.
Present, sir.
777.
Present, sir.
784.
Present, sir.
786.
Present, sir.
792.